Hi everyone! Today I will teach you the recipe of a very delicious and simple dish that is very suitable for lunch and dinner. Please stay with me until the end of this educational video. Thank you. In this dish, one large potato can be enough for 2 people. Potatoes are nutrient-rich, high in fiber, possess antioxidant properties, aid in blood pressure regulation due to potassium content, and serve as an energy source. I cut 2 tomatoes into rings, which we will use in our meal later. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants such as lycopene and vitamins like C and K, contributing to heart health, skin care, and overall well-being. Now break 3 eggs and put them in a bowl. Eggs are a nutritious food rich in high-quality proteins, essential vitamins, and minerals, promoting muscle health, brain function, and overall well-being. Separate the yolk from the egg white. Beat the egg white until completely foamy. And also, mix the egg yolk. Add some salt, and a little black pepper. Now mix the egg white and yolk well. Now I wash the potatoes until they are clean. Enough butter and medium heat. You can use other frying oils as you wish. Put the potatoes in the pan and flatten them. Now put the tomatoes on the potatoes. Cover the tomatoes with the egg mixture. Grate some mozzarella cheese on the food. Now pour some thyme on it, put the lid of the pan, and wait until the food is completely cooked. The meal is ready. Dear friends, I hope you like this recipe. Become a member of our channel and ask any questions in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back soon with a great tutorial video. Goodbye.